Hey everybody, we're going to go over really quick why you want to avoid this market close button if at all possible. So the market close button basically means that if you have a position open, if you click the market close, it's going to sell whatever you have at whatever's available on the books. All right. So for a high volume coin like Bitcoin, ETH, even XRP, you have a good amount of volume, so a large scale sell off won't impact the books that heavily, right? But if you start getting into these lower volume coins, let's take for example, uh, let's take Ray for example, right? Uh, as you can see, the books are kind of thin, right? So if you're trying to market sell 1,000 Ray, right? There has to be 1,000 Ray on the books to sell to fill your market close. So when you click the market close button, what happens is it'll literally pull these rays until you get to 1,000, which means that it'll end up selling your ray. So instead of receiving 9.2 uh, $9.20 per ray, you'll end up selling a majority of your ray so about 9.17, right? Doesn't sound like a big deal on 1,000, but that's a smaller trade. If we bring it up to 10,000 to fill that book, to fill that market close, it's not even available on here, right? You're already down to 9.16. So uh, by the time this 10,000 can fill on a market fill, you'll probably have cleared the book solid 5, 6, maybe even 7%, which means that you lost out on potentially 7% more funds just because your market closed and dumped the price down. You're much better off setting up on this side and doing a limit order. By doing a limit order, you'll only sell at the price specified. So if we want $9.27 for our tokens, then that's what we're going to get, $9.27. If the purchasing power isn't there for $9.27, then it'll stay there until the order is filled. So uh, the market close has its use. Sometimes things are just that bad and you need to get out as quickly as possible. But for the most part, you might want to avoid it to save yourself a few dollars on the back end. All right. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment below. If you enjoyed the video, do subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Thank you.